You're just a target in a room full of people.
Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Chris again from Oz Canopies and 4x4, and today what we have is a lovely JAC T9. This ute hasn't got a lot of love from the aftermarket, but that's all right because Oz Canopies and 4x4 have got a roller shutter going on it today. We're going to refit the OEM sports bar, of course. We're going to go through the assembly, we're going to go through the fitment, and we're going to get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this JAC T9 roller shutter. I know you JAC T9 guys have been complaining there's no accessories on the market. Here's one right here. ozcanopies.com.au is the place to get it. What do you get? Look, you can see the water on here. Why? Because we water test our roller shutters before they go. We want to make sure that they're as watertight as possible when it comes to the operation. Give me a second, man. The mic's got a clip on it and I'm still not even using it, bro. There we go. Open it. What you do is pull first, press the button. Roll that bad boy all the way back. You can see quite a slim canister, so you can maintain as much space in the tub as possible. Multiple locking positions, of course. If you wanted to step it, leave it halfway, you can do that. We can refit the OEM sports bar, maintain the look of the vehicle. Very, very straightforward. These are available from $1,249. Wow, that's such a good price. I'm spinning all over the place. ozcanopies.com.au is the place to get them. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you liked the video. All right, leave a comment. Tell me, what did you like? What did you not like? Where can we improve? We're always looking to improve here. Anyway, Chris signing off. Till the next one.